Uganda Open coming up in October, and before then, or just about that time, we have an event in Egypt, which is all Africa. So get ready for us. We'll be ready for you.
The competition becomes bigger without interfering with the Region 4. So these are some of the discussions that we'll continue holding, and hopefully soon we'll have a three-way match, a three-way visit, so that next year we probably could go to Tanzania, then Uganda, then back to Kenya.
We enjoyed every part of this experience, from how we are dealt with, from training to the daily affairs that brought us to come and lift this trophy. We really thank you for the support. We look forward for